Spin Master's always been known for being a top innovator in the toy and entertainment industry. We have the latest and greatest technologies to support the minds creating the latest and greatest toys. Products like Rubik's Cube, PAW Patrol, Etch-a-Sketch. It's easier to talk one-on-one with someone, see the reactions. If you're showcasing a product or a deck or something about something new, then you get to read a facial expression. And video first is the only way for us to do that.
The shift to Teams for video conferencing kind of joins everything together. It allows us to use the apps that we already use in our ecosystem together with the meeting environment. So the partnership with Neat and Microsoft really help facilitate that. I really like the Neat boards. I like the whiteboard feature. I really like just the ease of use of them. And I really like the Neat frame. I like how it just sits on your desk as a little companion.
You could put a Neat Bar Pro with a Neat Board 50, and you have an incredibly robust system that gives you a ton of flexibility, whether it be a digital whiteboard or another design software that they collaborate on. It allows two people to be in the same software 3,000 miles apart. At Spin Master, we're really looking forward to Neat's App Hub. Being able to deploy productivity apps to all of our Neat devices in one central location is going to be an absolute time saver.
So with Neat Pulse, it really saves the time and the resources from having to call upon another IT department in another office. Having everything in one place just makes life so much easier.
Neat has been an incredible partner with our journey back to work. The quality of product that just does everything it's supposed to very well. The design is awesome. We're a design company. We design stuff. And so when you put something in a room that even your designers are like, love, it makes a difference for us. Also the simplicity of the devices, it just works. Keeping the SKUs low and the products tight and everything flowing in the ecosystem, it's a dream to work with.